Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. Well, this is going to be an interesting video, an emotional video. Hopefully I won't get too teary-eyed. I won't have to edit every 2 seconds, and you guys will bear with me. I took a cruise back in January along with my ex-wife, which I will explain, on Royal Caribbean's Navigator of the Sea. And that was before all the COVID and everything started back in, I guess, February, March, and April, where everybody's stuck on all these ships. So anyway, as the story goes, January 17th, we left out of Miami. On the 18th, we were in Nassau, Bahamas. On the 20th, we were in, or not the 20th, the 19th, we were in Coco Cay, which is Royal Caribbean's private island. Then on the 20th, we were back in Miami. So the reason you're seeing this video now is because of this SD card, which I thought was lost forever. I mean, I'd go through my bags every day for like weeks, and I just finally gave up and just said forget it, it's lost. So where Donna comes in is we were divorced for 6 years, but we would still go out here and there. She lived in Florida, I lived up in Virginia, and we'd still go out, like I said, every once in a while when I would travel down there. But we decided, hey, let's go on a cruise this year. So we went on a cruise in January, and that'd be the last time I'd ever see her, because in April she passed away, and it was not of COVID, if that's what you guys are thinking. So it wasn't of that. But in May, I flew back down to Florida and grabbed all her belongings and just stuck them in my closet back up here. And just the other day I decided, you know, let me just start going through it all. And lo and behold, in the corner, the SD card, which has been in her bag since January. So I started going through all the video and doing all the editing, and so that's the video that you guys are going to see. Hope you enjoy it. I don't think I mentioned it, but you probably won't see Donna on there too much. You might catch her at the water park a couple times. She wasn't much into getting in front of the video camera, but I guess that's that. And on that note, this is dedicated to Donna, as you guys would figure. Traveler out. It's Saturday. Oh, look at that hot tub at 7 o'clock this morning. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. There's sunrise behind us, and we're about an hour from docking in Nassau, Bahamas. And today, we're going to do a unique shore excursion. It's too early in the morning, I can't even talk yet. A unique shore excursion, so you guys will probably like this one. Welcome to Nassau, Bahamas. Wow, this is close. Mariner of the Sea. Lost balloon, probably from last night. This port is busy this morning. We've got a Royal Caribbean Mariner of the Sea right next to us, and I'm not sure what Carnival ship is coming in behind her. Right there, remember, that's what time we leave. Do not be late. Alright. Paradise Island, and boy is it breezy out here again today. And it's not raining like it was back in Miami. 3 ships in port, that's ours. Royal Caribbean Navigator of the Sea. Next to that, Royal Caribbean Mariner of the Sea. And Carnival Sunshine. Coming in early 2022. They're going to redesign this whole port area here. Just some concept of what it's going to look like. Okay, into the shopping area where everybody's going to be yelling at you and trying to sell you stuff. Well, I made it through the bombardment of everybody asking for cab rides, horse rides, taxi rides, bike rides, scooter rides, ATV rides, on and on. Do you want your hair braided? I don't think so. I don't have any hair. Where do you want to go? I'll show you the island. Oh my God, I just want to go shopping. All right, on we go. Everything's not open yet. It's only 8:30. This is Bay Street. This is where all the shops are at. The Salty Dog Souvenir Shop. Blackbeard's Revenge pirate ship. Well, here's our meeting spot, Senior Frogs. Now we're just waiting for the boat to take us to a unique experience. Here's our group, and here's the boat. Captain says, smooth ride.
Somewhat.
Somewhat. Oh, these are 5 to 7 foot swells here. This is a really choppy ride here.
Everybody okay?
Wow, this is one choppy ride, but it's fun.
A bit of trouble.
Welcome to Balmoral Island. Once you get off the boat, come down to the Welcome Center. You'll come here and sign a form if you're gonna do the stingrays, the dolphin encounter, or the little piggies. And then after you do that, you just go down to the beach for a while. We're gonna wait like 45 minutes. We'll get with the group and then we'll head down. Well, while you're waiting, you can do kayaks. There's volleyball, sit in the lounge chairs, even go for a little swim. Water's a little rough today. They have a couple pools here if you don't want to dip in the ocean there. You can rent inner tubes, snorkel, mask, fins. Or you can just lay down on one of these in the water. They have a boutique here and a beach club market and bar. I'll tell you one thing, drinks are expensive because for a Sprite and a bottled water, 10 bucks. Welcome to the islands. Well, unfortunately, on our walk to the pigs, because we're going to be swimming with the pigs, you can't take any cameras, phones, nothing. You'd leave it in a locker. But I took this with me. I'm not sure how much I can take, but we'll see. All right, we're heading back into the boat. Back into the boat. It's still choppy out. I'll give you a recap of the island in a minute here. Boat is rocking. This boat is rocking. Woo!
vessel, the name of this vessel is? Alright, this is the... We gave out some houses earlier, but... Alright guys, what's your name? Aaron? Alright, we're gonna sing happy birthday for Aaron or Alpha. Alright, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Crazy scene around the senior frogs. Party time, the boat leaves in about 5 hours. The boat we came in on, a lot of people are leaving on Carnival, which leaves in like an hour, so they're all rushing over to Carnival to get on out of here. Well, the unfortunate thing about that excursion was swimming with the pigs. And if you did swimming with the pigs or the stingrays or the dolphins, you can't take your camera, your GoPros, your iPhones, your iPads, nothing. You put everything in a locker and you just take your towel down. So you really don't have any footage of what you did, but you can buy the pictures, and the packages start at $89. And a lot of them, the pictures didn't turn out very well, so a lot of people didn't even buy them. It'd be nice if you could just buy one, but that's the way they do it. You buy them all or don't buy any. I didn't know there's a Hooters around here.
We're going to open it on the 27th, right upstairs.
Hey, buddy. So he's pulling the orange carriage. Saying goodbye to the marketplace. Hotels. We'll go down there next time. Alright, it's time to get back on the ship. One day in the Bahamas. Still got a few hours before we leave, but this is a start. Mariner of the Seas. We'll be seeing you tomorrow over at It's a Perfect Day at Coco Cay. There's the Atlantis in the background. We're leaving in about an hour, around 8:30. Come into the room and she made an elephant for us. Well, another day in the books. Too bad I couldn't videotape the pigs in the water, but they don't let you videotape anything when you're doing excursions with animals for some reason, but it is the way it is. So anyway, but tomorrow we're in Coco Cay where it's a perfect day. And on that note, traveler out.